Aloha everyone and welcome to our channel. I'm Gabby
And I'm Georgie,
and we are the mummies of Sisterhood Furniture.
and content creators for Dixie Belle Paint.
In this tutorial, we will be working on this little chest of drawers and transforming it into a dreamy, bright piece with a grungy look using Dixie Belle products.
If you'd like to see this transformation, please stay with us and don't forget to subscribe for more content.
Let's do it!
First step, the crucial step, is cleaning the piece with white lightening Dixie Belle's cleaner. Then, after it dried, I applied 2 coats of primer, Slick Stick, and we let it dry overnight. The next step is applying mermaid tail as a base color, and I apply it by dabbing it to create a really soft texture. I also dabbed it on the top, the same as the rest of the piece.
Now the second coat where we can play with colors. I work in sections as the sun was drying out the paint quickly, although I mixed the paint with plenty of water, but it was better this way. First, I dabbed in mermaid tail. Then I added limeade over mermaid tail in different spots, and I start spreading it with a clean brush and basically softening those hard edges. I also added a few spots of mint julep, and the same with a clean brush that I will use only for mint julep going further. I soften the edges and slightly blend it into the limeade and mermaid spots. Afterwards, I took the mermaid tail brush and I started dabbing it again in different areas as the overall look became too bright. Also, by doing that, it will result in creating a dreamy look and lightened by interesting shades that are peeking through. The same steps applies for the sides. Afterwards, I did dry brushing on the edges and corners with black using caviar from Dixie Belle, and I also created a few drips that brings this piece to a grungy look slowly. I use my finger too, sometimes it's the best tool. I did the same on the side to accentuate the corners and also created drips. On the drawer sides, we apply the boho transfer. We didn't like how the transfer and the line of mermaid tail end up together. We decided to distress that line, then we did a bit of dry brushing with mermaid tail to integrate it, and we are really happy with the final result. We applied clear wax all over the piece and left it for 15 minutes, and after that we buffed it off with a piece of cloth. After applying clear wax, we applied black wax all over the piece, which beautifully enhanced the whole look. We also left it for 15 minutes and buffed it off with a piece of cloth. And this is the final look. And thank you for watching. See you next time!